In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image on Wix. Whether you're refreshing your website's look, showcasing a new product, or simply updating outdated visuals, knowing how to replace images on your Wix site is an essential part of maintaining a professional and engaging online presence. The process is simple, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can complete this task with ease. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to update any image on your Wix website whenever you need to. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials. If you have multiple Wix sites under the same account, make sure you're logging in to the right one. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard, which is essentially the control center for all your websites. From here, navigate to the dashboard of the specific site you want to edit. This step is important because Wix organizes all your sites separately, so you want to make sure you're working on the correct project. Once you've selected the site, you'll need to open the Wix Editor. This is where you'll make all your design and content changes. Now that you're in the editor, locate the image you want to change. You can scroll through your page and find the specific image you'd like to update. Take your time here. Whether the image is in a header, a gallery, or as part of a section, make sure you're selecting the correct one. When you found it, click directly on the image. This will highlight it and bring up the options menu for that specific image. In this options menu, you'll see several features related to the image. What you want to do is select the option labeled Change Image. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on it, Wix will give you access to your media library. Here you have two choices. If the image you want to use has already been uploaded to your media library, you can simply browse and select it. However, if you're using a new image that isn't in your library yet, you'll need to upload it. To do this, click on the Upload Media button in the media library. After clicking Upload Media, a window will pop up allowing you to browse your device for the image file. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the file, and click Open. Wix will then begin uploading the image to your library. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this could take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the new image in your media library. Now, select the newly uploaded image from your library. You'll notice a preview of the image appear, which is a great way to double-check that you've selected the correct file. When you're satisfied, click the Apply button. This will replace the current image on your site with the new one you've just uploaded. At this point, the new image is visible in the editor. Take a moment to review your page and ensure that everything looks the way you want it to. If you're happy with the change, the final step is to click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Publishing makes your changes live, so your website visitors will now see the updated image. And that's it. You've successfully changed an image on your Wix site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.